Apecoin continues to hold above a key area of support above the 0.5896, and on today's update video I will be discussing Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above in the next coming hours and also days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, where I have been observing an ABC corrective structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we have this massive ABC corrective structure in red, where we first saw that impulsive bounce in the formation of that wave A, giving us a high above the 0.5636. Then we saw a bit of a pullback to the lower side in the formation of this wave B that continued to hold within Fibonacci key areas of support. And after we saw a reaction of the Fibonacci key areas of support, I was expecting the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave C, and using the Fib extension, connecting it from the low of the wave A to the high of that wave A, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave B. The first area that I was paying attention to as a minimum target area for the wave C was on the Fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.6754, an area that we have not fully maximized. And you can see that in this bounce over here, we made a high above the 0.7263, and that means that we have done the minimums, and there's a very high chance that this ABC corrective structure over here, has now seen its top above the 0.72 mark, and a pullback is now imminent to correct this whole structure over here. And the minimum target areas for that corrective move can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the wave A to the high of that wave C. And on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to lies between the Fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is between the 0.5824 and the 0.4295. And this area over here also needs to act as support. So within this area over here, I'm expecting that in case, that is the moment we get that retracement over here, we are going to find support, and within that key area over here, we should start a reversal to the upper side, giving us a break above the highs we made above the 0.72, and in that bounce we can then easily get above the 1 USDT mark in the next coming days. So in case of further pullbacks here on the Apecoin chart, that is the micro key area of support that you need to pay attention to, and on holding within that area, then I'm still expecting another bounce, easily giving us a break above the 1 USDT mark. And the worst case scenario can only play out if by any chance we get an impulsive breakdown move into the area, and maybe at some point we break out of the yellow target area to the lower side. If that plays out, then that will be increasing the chances that Apecoin is going to give us a massive nuke, giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April below the 0.35 mark in the next coming days. So that is all that I'm expecting on the Apecoin chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.